Hi and what's up? In today's video it's all about fries or chips, whatever you call them. So it's going to be a very simple recipe and the outcome is going to be amazing. So I'm going to be making beef with chips or chips with beef, which is which? Chips with beef, and it's going to be a combination of the two and it's going to be delicious. So without further ado, I have my chips here, onions, garlic, and a few spices, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. I have been boiling my meat for around 30 minutes so that the beef can be tender. So this is how it's looking at this point. The water has dried out, so I'm going to transfer my meat in a bowl. I'm going to be adding some oil just to fry my onions, and then I'm going to add in my onion. I'm using white onion for this recipe. Stir in, and then I'm going to cook the onions until soft. I love how you can notice bits of meat from boiling our meat. So this is going to add even more flavor. So I'm going to give this a minute to cook. As the onions are softening up, I'm going to be adding in garlic. So these are 3 cloves of garlic. Stir in. Let the garlic cook until fragrant. That is about 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you can see, my onions are browning. So I'm going to add in my spices. So I have paprika, garlic powder, coriander powder, and ground cumin. And here I have 1 seasoning cube, sorry. So I'm going to add my spices in, and then I'm going to break my seasoning cube in the pan. Stir in. This already looks amazing. Next, I'm going to be adding in my meat. This is a recipe for 2. So this is half a kg of meat. So this smells absolutely amazing. So to let my spices cook together with the meat, I'm going to add a dash of water. Stir in. This is how it's looking. I'm going to add a little bit more. Now you can notice the amazing color from the paprika, and also I love the aroma in my kitchen. It's so amazing. I'm going to give this a minute to cook so that the flavors can soak in the meat. So it's been like 2 minutes while my meat has been cooking up together with the spices, and this is how it's looking. You'll notice that the sauce has thickened up. This looks amazing. So next I'll be adding in my fries, and as I said, the recipe is for 2. So I'm going to stir in, and at this point I've reduced the heat to low. Then I'm going to let the fries soak up the amazing sauce. At this point, you can add your favorite sauce. If it's ketchup or tomato sauce, you can add some. For me, I'm not going to be adding because I love mine this way. I'm going to give this a couple of minutes, around 1 to 2 minutes to cook. So you keep flipping and tossing around so that the fries can soak up, or the fries can cook. Yeah. My chips and beef are ready, and they are looking amazing, and they are very delicious. Trust me, you have to try out this recipe so that you can know that this combo is just amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try out this recipe and share with a friend. Yeah, share with a friend, and like, share, comment. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, people, subscribe. Yeah. So catch you on my next one. Bye.